And once again, what a pleasure to see the markets trading as per the prediction and analysis. We had at the beginning of the week, I had told you that Dow Jones and Nasdaq may break strongly on the downside, and see what we have achieved: 31,400 and 12,100 levels. I hope you all profited. In fact, the yesterday's analysis, I told you till the time it trades, Dow Jones trades below 32,000 levels, you can remain short. Every rise is a good to go short, and you can expect 31,400, 500 as a very strong resistance zone. Precisely, it has come back to those levels. Likewise, we had expected that US100 below 12,400, one can expect lot more bearishness, 12,200, 100 levels, and in fact it can drop below 12,000 levels. It is also very possible, likely, and see, it has almost achieved 12,100. Now, missing on to subscribe this channel is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. The next analysis will be up before the US cash session, so do press the bell icon and do like, share, subscribe, and comment. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100, followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Now, look at the hourly charts on NASDAQ 100. 12,300 is the level at which it has created 3 candles with a flat top, and then it has dropped from there. It has created a support at 12,100 and now trying to retrace. So see, in between this 12,300, 12,100, only any rise should be considered as a retracement till towards 12,250. It can rise, and then again a drop from there can be expected. 12,300 is the good resistance for the day. Only if it successfully trades about 12,300, you can consider that as a bullish move. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD extremely divergent and bearish. RSI oversold, indicates a little rise can be expected, which is what is seen on the charts too. Look at the 2-hour charts. See, every candle has a meaning here, and if you connect the dots from here, you will find that definitely 12,300 is going to remain the good strong resistance. At the same time, 12,100 level should be a good support there on the downside. So till the time it trades in between this, see, below 12,100, definitely 12,000 and 11,900, those were the levels we had shared, are going to come into picture. Now look at the moves here on the 2-hour charts, and it is still trying to trade bearish. This time it can give you a larger strong move on the downside. Till the time it trades below 12,300, you can expect it to drop. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD is again crossed over, and it is divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold. Most indicators on most time frames are oversold. Consolidation drop, consolidation drop. Classical moves are being shown. If you connect the dots here, it is precisely trying to trade within this zone. And on the downside, see, possibility of a retracement till 12,300 is very high, and then till 12,350, yes, you can remain bearish. Even till 12,400, one can remain bearish, and then from there a drop can be expected. Directional movement is wide divergent and bearish. Stochastic is oversold here. MACD has just crossed over, and this is just 2 candles apart. More bearishness can be expected. RSI is oversold. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, see on the 4-hour charts here, retracement drop, classical moves are being shown here, trying to trade within this channel. 12,000 levels should be the good ultimate support, and 12,400 is going to be the good resistance for the day. Even if it tries to swing, these 2 levels are going to be very, very important. Below 12,000 levels, remember, as I shared in my weekly analysis, 11,900 is the level I will be looking forward to. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD has just crossed over, and it is divergent and it is bearish. RSI is again looking oversold levels. And look at the daily charts. Now look at the daily charts and look at the move. The previous to previous candle, a tail and a wick. The previous candle only a wick without any tail out there, indicating that it is getting a gravitational pull on the downside. This time it started below 12,250, and it is trying to trade with a drop 12,000 level. See, also one must observe that the candle size has increased, indicating at that there is increased bearishness there and possibility of it to drop. Till the time it trades below 12,250, the possibility of it to drop till towards 12,000 exists. But yes, once it trades about 12,250, you can expect 12,300 and 12,350, 400 as the ultimate resistance. Beyond 12,400 only, I will consider that as reversal. Directional movement here you can see is bearish. stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is white, divergent and bearish. It must start to converge some point of time, possibly today, tomorrow, and hence indicates that a little reversal can be expected. Now remember, I have told you many a times earlier also, 12400 is going to remain a very good resistance for US100 on the downside. Now it is trying to reverse, and now 12400, which was the resistance, is going to become the resistance level on the upside. Also on the daily charts, now it is trading below the 100 period moving average, which is a critical resistance zone at 12300 350. So see, one can take a long entry about 12250, but then remember 12300 is a very good resistance. 350 and 400 are the next resistance levels. Only and only if it trades about 12400, consider that as reversal, then we can expect 12500 550 levels, and in fact 12600 is the next resistance zone. So yes, go long about 250 levels today, and yes, you can go short below 12100. Below 12100 you can expect 12000 levels. See, you will get little moves, but you will get a sure profitable move there. So, and yes, if you are a risky trader, every rise till 12200 levels, yes, you can remain short, or rather I will say in between 12200 and 12250, do not trade. Below 12200, the first target is 12100, and then 12000 levels are the ultimate support, and below that we can see again 11900 920 zone. Take your trades accordingly. Remain short till the time it is below 12200. In between 12200 and 12250, do not trade. Above 12250, go long for 12300 350 400 plus minus 10-20 points. I am discounting. Yes, take your wise call accordingly. And see, about 12400, it may call for a reversal. So in between 12200 250, do not trade. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss. Trade with a trailing stop loss. It appears still to be bearish, but it is also at the same time oversold on all the time frames. Hence, a little retracement can be expected. Take your positions accordingly. And yes, if you want to learn the art of reading the charts and markets carefully, taking right entries, right exits, and the strategies to profit, you can join my mentorship batch. It is very easy. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, lifetime support, and the strategies taught will definitely help you become a profitable trader. Reach out to me for more details via Telegram or email, both mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my pattern group. One is the support page where you can support the effort which I am putting on YouTube, which is a very minuscule contribution, but for me it is a huge contribution and motivation from you. So do become a pattern. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. The next tier is where you get all the profits. You can consult me, you can discuss with me, you can get all the benefits there, you can get the signals there. Become the pattern. Reach out to me. The pattern page link is mentioned in the channel and video description. On the hourly charts, look at Dow Jones here getting diminished, indicating that it may try to bounce back a little, but at the same time lower highs, higher lows. So yes, if you see it trading beyond 31450, you can try to initiate, but then 31500 and then 31550 600 levels should be the resistance there. 31550 is something I will watch out for. If it trades above 31550, definitely it will call for more bullishness there. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD bearish, RSI oversold. So all indicators on time frames are oversold here. Look at the 2-hour charts, creating a step there, and see the body size is increasing. This candle I will watch out for. If it breaks below 31350 31300 levels, definitely one can expect that 31100 is the first target, and then it will try to draw below 31000 also. Directional movement divergent bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent and bearish. MACD has still got some scope for it to drop for the RSI oversold. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts likewise, see this candle and this candle, the body size is diminished here, indicating that the bears are not willing to take it further down. It is trying to trade sideways. I will be looking forward to 31450 and 500 levels. Only if it sustains above 31500, you can expect little more bullishness, which might take it till towards 31700, which is the ultimate resistance. Yesterday I told you that below 31700 we can expect a very good fall, and then 31500 and 400 are the targets. See, these are the words, and this is the confidence you should have while trading. Now 31700 is the ultimate resistance. Directional movement bearish, stochastic oversold. MACD has still room for it to trade bearish. It is just 3 candles apart. Directional RSI is trading oversold. Look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts too, the candle size is diminishing here. And yes, if it trades below, so on the 4-hour charts above 31,500, very good entry to stay long. Then 31,600 is a good resistance, and then beyond that you can expect it to fly for 31,700 and 800 levels. Directional movement, divergent bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD is divergent bearish, RSI is oversold. Every candle has a little scope for it to drop again. Look at the daily charts. Look at the previous candle. See the previous to previous candle, a tail and a wick. Previous candle only a wick without a tail. So it closed with a bearish note. It closed at the bearish note here with a flat bottom, and now it has started the day from those levels itself at 31,500 flat head, and on the downside the support here at 31,300 is going to be good. Below that it may break the Bollinger Bands. 31,100 is the next target. In fact, it can try to drop till towards 31,000 levels. So only long entry I will recommend is above 31,500 levels, then 31,550, 700 till 700 possibility exists that it can rise. In fact, it can rise till towards 31,800 levels. Till the time it trades below 31,800, consider that as bearish, and it can reverse and retrace again. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic oversold, MACD divergent bearish, RSI is near to bottom. Considering this, yes, you can go long above 31,500, expect 31,550, 600, and then 31,700 as the stronger resistance. Above 31,700 you can look forward to 31,800. Remember, till 31,800 I will still consider this as bearish, and it can drop from those levels, possibility exists. And yes, you can go short below 31,350 levels. Below that you can expect it to drop for 31,300, very good support. Below that we may see 31,100 as the next stronger support. It may continue to trade bearish till the time it trades below 31,500. Possibility exists that it may give you a sharp drop in next few hours, and then a retracement till towards 31,400, 450 is possible, and with the US cash session it may again try to drop. So trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss, trade with a trading stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do trade with caution in between 31,350 and 500. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.